The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, is a popular exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks the performance of the S&P 500, a stock market index that represents the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the United States. The VOO ETF is managed by Vanguard, a well-known investment management company with a long history of providing low-cost investment products to investors. One of the main advantages of the VOO ETF is its low expense ratio. The expense ratio is the annual fee that an ETF charges to its investors, and it is expressed as a percentage of the fund's assets. The VOO ETF has an expense ratio of just 0.03%, which is much lower than the average expense ratio for actively managed mutual funds. This means that investors can expect to pay very little in fees for the VOO ETF, which can help to improve their overall returns. Another advantage of the VOO ETF is its diversification. Because it tracks the S&P 500 index, the VOO ETF gives investors exposure to a wide variety of sectors and industries, including technology, healthcare, financials, and consumer goods. This diversification can help to reduce the overall risk of an investment portfolio, as it reduces the impact of any one sector or company on the fund's performance. The VOO ETF is also highly liquid, meaning that it is easy to buy and sell shares of the fund. This is important for investors who may need to access their money quickly or who may want to take advantage of market opportunities as they arise. One potential drawback of the VOO ETF is that it is subject to the same market risks as the S&P 500 index. This means that the value of the VOO ETF can go up or down depending on the performance of the underlying stocks in the index. However, this is a risk that all stock market investments carry, and the VOO ETF's diversification can help to mitigate this risk to some extent. Overall, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, is a low-cost, diversified, and liquid investment option that can be a good choice for long-term investors who are looking to gain exposure to the US stock market.